If you're experiencing pending transfers on Instagram, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Step 2. Update the Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates for Instagram. Step 3. Verify payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Restart the app. Close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and may help in processing any pending transfers. Step 5. Contact Instagram support. If the issue persists, reach out to Instagram support for assistance. Provide them with details of the pending transfer and any relevant information to help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Instagram. If problems continue, keep an eye on updates from Instagram for further solutions.